Hi, buddies. Welcome to Maths Nimuna, your maths buddy. Okay, let's say we look at question one first. This is Kangaroo Maths Junior 2018 paper. In a family, each child has at least one brother and at least one sister. What is the smallest possible number of children in the family? Okay. So first we start this one with, let's say the family has one brother. Okay. Okay. Now this brother, okay, when he's single, he don't have anybody. Okay. Let's say he has one brother here. Okay, another boy. So he has one brother. Okay, so this is brother. He also has one brother. Okay. Now we add one more boy in the family, and you add one more boy. Okay. Now he has two brother. He also has two brother, and he also has two brother. Okay. Now we already fulfill the first requirement, which is they have at least two brother. Brother can be more than two. Okay, but minimum two. Okay, now look at the sister. Let's say we had one more girl in the family. Okay. Now this girl has three brothers. Okay, one, two, three brothers. And then this boy has one sister, this boy has one sister, this boy has one sister. This girl don't have any sisters. Okay. Okay, now what we do, add one more girl in the family. See what we get. Okay. Now when add one more girl, this girl has three brothers and one sister. This girl also has three brothers and one sister. So these boys all has two brother and two sister. So now we have to fulfill the requirement that each boys must have at least two brother and they must have two sisters. Okay, one sister. Okay, that's all for question one. So the answer is they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children in the family, which is answer is C. Okay, now we look at question 2. Some of the rings in the figure form a chain that includes the ring indicated by arrow. Okay, these are the ring. They already connect all the rings. Okay, so what I do, I make it bigger so you can see clearly the picture. Okay, this one we don't need to do any calculation, just look at it. Okay, see what is the, how many rings are there in the longest possible chain. So for example, for this ring we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 rings, 5 chain. 5 rings in this chain. We can go here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rings in this chain. So now we want to find what is the longest possible chain. When we look at properly, okay, sometimes we cheated by the question. You see properly, this ring and this ring are not connected. You see here this point and this point. So this ring at the back of this ring, it is not connected. So both are outside of this ring, or it's behind this ring. So this is not possible. A chain can make a chain. The same thing also this ring when we see is behind this ring. So this is also not connected with the chain. So the possible one, this and this is connected. See, one is behind, one is front. And then this and this is connected. This and this is connected, and this connected. One is behind, one is in front. Okay, so the possible longest chain we can make using 5 rings. The answer will be C. Okay, look at question 3. The length of two sides of triangle are 5 and 2. So a triangle, this is maybe 5. We have another side is 2. Okay, 5 and 2. Okay. Question is what is the third side in odd integer number, and the length of the third side is an odd integer number. So odd means can be 1, 3, 5 and so on. Find the length of the third side. Okay, so this is the third side. Okay, when we have a 5 centimeter here, okay, we have a 2 centimeter here. Let's say this 2 centimeter I try to put up to here. Maybe let's say this is 1 degree. Okay.
Okay, so when this is 2, this is 5, this can be what? Okay, we assume now the 2 I put here without a 0 degree. Okay, this is a 5. The 2 I put here on the same line. Okay, let's say the angle is 0 degree. This is 2. So this is, what is that? This length? It will be 3 centimeter. This is the lowest possible side. But 3, it must be more than 3. Cannot be equal to 3. Okay, if equal to 3, this angle will be 0. There is no triangle is made. So to make the triangle, you have to at least slight little bit this 2. Maybe 0.0001 degree. So that means when this is go up a bit, this length will be more than 3. Okay, that is the smallest what we call side. Okay, now we go to put in this way. Okay, let's say I draw again. Okay, now the 5 is here. Okay, the 2 can be here, can be here, can be here, can be anywhere. Until they say I put a 2 here, they say this is 180 degrees. If 180 degrees, there is no triangle. Triangle must be less than 180 degree. So when I put here, my length could be the side, the another side could be is less than 7. So it can be a little bit higher. Okay, slide. Okay. So that means my side, the third side, will be the maximum of the third side is 7 and the minimum of my third side will be 3. Okay, always remember when this kind of question you got the maximum side will be the side 1 plus side 2. Okay, side 1 minus side 2. Side 1 minus side 2. The third length must be side 2, side 1, side 1 plus side 2. This will be the maximum and minimum. But cannot equal to side 1 minus side 2. So 3 cannot, it must be more than 3. So when this is side is the integer. Okay, did they say it is integer? The length of two sides of triangle are the third is an odd number, integer. So it can be 4, 5, 6, only 4, 5, 6. But because this is odd, 4 and 6 cannot take, the answer will be 5. Okay, look at this question. This is a famous question. Okay. The distance between the tops of the cat sleeping. So one cat is sleeping. Okay, this cat is sleeping. Okay, this cat is sit on the floor. Okay, now they ask us to find the distance between the tops. Okay, what is the height of the table? Okay, what we do in this question? Okay, we assume this is a standing cat. Let's say its height is y. Okay, and we have a table. So this is a table, and we have a sleeping cat. The sleeping cat's height is x. Okay, let's say the height of the table is z. Okay, this is the unknowns that we can create first. Okay, so according to the first question, they said here to here is 150 centimeter. Okay, that means we create the equation. That means y. Okay, y this one plus z up to here. Okay, you plus z first from here to here, and then minus x. Okay, equal to 150. Okay, the next one, same thing. The cat on the top of the table is sleeping. This is x now. This is the table, and then the cat here is sitting. Okay, z is still same. This is the z. Okay, height of the table. Now they gave you. Okay, they gave you from here to here is 110. Now we create the equation. So x, okay, you take all plus z, and then we minus y. Minus y equal to 110. Okay, look at equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, equation 1, y plus z minus x is 150. Equation 2, x plus z minus y equal to 110. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So equation 1 plus equation 2, y minus y we can cancel, x minus x we can cancel, we can do z. 2z equal to 150 plus 110 is 260. So z is 130. So the height of the table is 130, which is answer C.
Okay, look at question number 5. The sum of 5 consecutive integers is 10 to the power of 2018. What is the middle number? Okay, so when we say 5 consecutive integers, it can be, let's say the middle number is x. Okay, that means this one must be x minus 1, this one must be x minus 2. Normally we take a middle number, and the question is what is the middle number they ask us. X plus 1, x plus 2, because this is the what we call consecutive numbers. Okay. Now, when we see this one, okay, so they say the sum of consecutive numbers, sum means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to add all. So, I add all x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1 plus x plus 2. Okay, which can gives me, okay, I make it straight, okay, 5x, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2 plus 2 is gone. Minus 1 plus is 1. That means 5x equal to 2 to the power of, 10 to the power of 2018. Okay. So what we can do, we know that 10 is equal to 5 times 2, right? 2018. So 5x equal to 5 times 2018 times 2 times 2018. Okay. So this 5 I bring over the other side. So it's become 5 2018 over 5. Okay. 1 times 2 2018. So 5 2018 over 5 1 is 5 2017. Okay, 2018 minus 1. You have to use index. This one I can rewrite as 2 2017 times 2 to the power of 1. Correct? Okay, 2017, correct, plus 1 is 2018. Okay, so I can get 5 2017 I can take this as a 10 2017 times 2. So the final answer, okay, will be, put it a bit high, okay, the final answer will be 5 times 2 is 10 2017 times 2. So the answer should be answer E.